Hey guys, happy Friday. I kept almost forgetting to make this video because I'm really bad at keeping track of days during the summer, but I didn't forget, which is good. So yeah. So first of all, we let the kittens into my room yesterday, and they have been running wild, getting into everything, and tearing up whatever they can find, and they found a box under my bed that has a bunch of letters from the church camps I did during high school that they sleep in, and I have to pull it out every few hours to make sure they eat. They also like my bookcases, and I just realized now that my closet door is wide open, so one of them is probably going to find their way into that. So basically, if I'm really distracted or you hear a large crash, it'll be one of the kittens. The one's on my lap right now, so I've got my eye on one. It's his brother that I'm a little concerned about. It's honestly like taking care of babies. These kittens. It's a full-time job. But they're adorable still, and are a little bit more active now that we've gotten them healthier. And yeah, they're just really fun. And yeah. So it's time for me to pack again, since I leave on Sunday. And I've just been really bad at getting stuff done this past like week and a half, because I worked so hard during the school year, and then exams are really intense. I get home for break and I just shut down. My mind shuts down, my ability to get anything done shuts down, my perception of like time shuts down. It's so hard for me to be productive and constructive and all that, and so it's been really difficult to prepare for this trip on Sunday. But I've got some things laid out on my bed. I've got my backpack about half packed. I've got a sleeping bag and my sleeping pad, and I've been running around all over the place trying to get things ready, so I think I'm good to go. Hopefully. We'll see tomorrow night. But yeah, I'm excited for this trip. It's gonna be really good. It'll be really fun. So in terms of possible summer opportunities, I didn't actually end up getting that job I was hoping to get. Ooh, kitten. Ooh, do you want to say hi? Aries says hi, by the way. Yeah, kitty cat. It's gonna go on my bed now. But yeah, didn't get the job, which is annoying. They need full-time workers, so my trip right now, or on Sunday, and then my sister's wedding just wasn't gonna cut it. So kind of back at square one, not sure what I'm gonna do. There are loads of options I can look into. I'll probably just end up working at my church office though, which is fine, but just, well, not as, it was my fallback, which is not necessarily your favorite option. But that's okay. Janice, I'm so excited that you got that book internship. I'm so happy for you. It sounds like it'll be great, and it sounds just like you, or just good for you. So yeah, that'll be exciting, something to look forward to. And Alexander, I hope you're enjoying your time in Florida. Sounds like you're just kind of chilling on the beach, which sounds really nice, and yeah. So that's about it. That's my life. And I guess I won't be making videos for a couple of weeks until I get back from my trip. But until then, I will talk to you all later. Bye!